truth. So quote the truth. Leave it alone. Leave it there. Don't read all kinds of cheeses. Readers, models of cars. Nothing means anything anymore. It's all just stuff. Shapeless, similar stuff. It's indistinguishable from other stuff. Stuff from other country stuff. And it's not. We're the best. We're special. Don't water it down.
What you dey talk? He won't fuck you. But you not great.
Now you can fuck her.
Now you can fuck her. Why you go fuck her?
I don't first day, you know.
You lie. Give her one.
Only one side don't fuck you.
First year, that's how you. First year. And to be honest, man, where the other small boy?
First year, you are done.
Where the boy?
Come on for that. Come on, see the boy.
Disgrace.
I'm pastor.
Don't slap me.
Come on, there. Come on, I need you.
Hey, Omo.
Come on, there. Where I'm going?
Now, wow.
Sure.
Hi everyone, good day, good morning, good afternoon, good whatsoever time that you are. Meanwhile, I still remember your friend, your girl, your daughter, your sister, your all in one person with your entrepreneur. Do not forget to patronize my marker, my AE marker business. Don't forget to patronize it. Anyway, as for now, we cannot go to the people that have ordered. I cannot go to the post office to post them right now because everywhere is locked up in Spain. Everywhere is so locked up. We are locked up. Anyway, we are still praying to God that everything should go well. Anyway, you should watch less TV right now so that they won't be disturbing you with their panicking, so that they will not be panic, so that the information that they are giving, it will not be giving you panicking. Okay. Please try patronize my marker, patronize my polo, patronize my marker. As you call, I will write your name down, your address, the color that you want, your size. Anytime they start opening their DNA, what do they call it? What do they call these things again? The post office. I will start with the list and I will start posting them to each and every one of them, to Canada, to America, to US, to wheresoever that you live, except Nigeria, because it's expensive to post back to Nigeria. It's expensive, okay? Except Africa, it's expensive to post to Africa. It is too expensive to post back to Africa. Meanwhile, it's about a little girl. This little girl, the mother, she said she's a worker. That is why I was telling you guys the other day that as a mom, you don't have to bother about money that much. You need to take care of your children so that other people, the people that you gave your children to take care of them, so that they will not be misusing your children. That is why you don't need to concentrate on cash. You don't need to concentrate on money. You need to just bear the kind of situation that you are. You need to bear the situation and take care of your children very well, so that other people will not be molesting them. Because I don't care if it is my blood sister, my blood brother, my mother, my husband. I'm not going to leave. It's not that I do trust them. I trust them for myself, but during my children aspect, I didn't trust anyone. I'm not going to let them be. I'm not going to give my children to anybody. I don't care, my auntie. I don't care. I'm not giving it to anyone to take care of. I don't care. I will do it by myself. I don't care if I'm hungry. I don't care. I will face it like that. That is my own aspect of view. I'm going to put the video there too. It's about this little girl. They gave this little girl a personal teacher, so that this teacher will be teaching this girl at home. After giving this girl to this teacher, the woman will go out, will go to her own various job. Anytime this teacher come around, this little girl will be crying. The girl will be crying, mommy, mommy, I don't want this teacher to teach me. I don't want this teacher to teach me. And the woman will be wondering, why won't you allow this teacher to teach you if this teacher is teaching you? And the mother was so furious that my daughter do not want to learn. My daughter don't want to learn. I don't know. The woman was thinking that maybe the daughter don't want to learn. He don't want to learn, but you do not know that this teacher is putting his penis into this 7 years old girl. He will put his penis into this little girl's mouth. This woman was now wondering, and the daughter was always telling his mother, Mama, I don't want to learn with this man anymore. I don't want this man to teach me anymore. I'm tired of this teaching. The woman will even still beat the daughter. Will you shut up? Will you shut up there? Like, shut up. You don't know what you are saying. Mother, this man used to put his penis in her mouth. The woman will still slap the daughter. Shut up. You don't know what you are saying. Meanwhile, this woman was just tired of the complaint of her daughter. The woman had decided what is she going to do now. The woman had said, okay, the woman has said, okay, the woman and the husband have set camera in their sitting room where they used to teach the child, because when they are teaching the child, the woman will go to their various business, because the woman just trusted the teacher with her 7 years old daughter. 7 years old daughter. Putting camera there now. Look, after putting camera there, look at what happened. This man is forcing this little 7 years old girl to be eating his cassava every time. He will eat this old mask. It's not old man, teacher's cassava. He will still give this little girl the akamu that came out inside the cassava. He will still give it to the little girl to swallow. Just through the camera, the woman has said that, okay, she do not have any other alternative than to set camera there. After setting the camera, they now discover, look at what this teacher, this personal teacher is doing to their daughter. That is how they arrest the teacher, and the teacher is still in prison now. What I'm saying with all these things are, mothers, we are in end time world. Be careful. That doesn't mean you can destroy your children's life. Wilfred Oprah, is it her Oprah? They vandalized her when she was 7 or 8 years. But I do not want to be vandalized because I want to be rich or useless life. I do not appreciate it. I don't appreciate it. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want to be vandalized because no. If you like, it should be Oprah. Shameless. They're with their parents, disgraced, shameless. They are shameless. Yes, I don't care the money that they have. The money, rubbish. That is how they vandalize Oprah. You know, after they maybe they become bastard, they will now become furious to be rich. After they have raped them, they will now become furious to be rich. We didn't send you that too. I just prefer not to be that rich, to be okay, for nobody to vandalize me, nobody to vandalize my child, but for me to be mentally okay. It's so necessary. I want to be mentally okay. I don't want to have that thought in my mind. When I was 7 years, this person vandalized me. Those things we lived with them all the days of their life. Or they gave birth to me. My father didn't accept me. Undermining a lot of people, and undermining I am rich now, but my father abandoned me. Oh my God, I don't want to have that kind of stupid self-esteem. I like myself the way I am. I like it. Yes. I really appreciate myself, and I appreciate my parents. Please, parents, do all your possible best to be your brother, your siblings, being anyone. Do all your possible best to take them out of your children's life, to take them out of your matrimonial homes. You can go for visiting. When you are visiting them, do not allow your daughters to sit down. Do not allow your daughter to sit down in any uncle's lap. Even your son, these days, don't allow your son to sit down in their uncle's lap, because no one know what happened to Bobrisky now. No one know what happened to him, why he decided to become a lady. Something happened. I know Bobrisky is still hiding that secret. Something happened for him to become like that. Something must have happened, but it's just that he's still keeping it. He do not want the audience to know yet, but with time we are still going to discover what happened to Bobrisky, why he now decided to change himself to become woman. Something happened. I don't want any of my child to have all those kind of useless experience. As for me today, I'm so happy. I do not have anything that bothers me. Nothing bothers me. I'm so happy in my life. I do not have Ferrari, but I know I'm working towards it. I'm going to have it. In my time, it's not going to be Ferrari. It's going to be another model of car. It's going to be another model of car, or it's going to be another model of house. You know, every 10 years, a model of house will come and pass. As for that, no. Do not let your children pass through all these traumas of life. For someone at 7 years, a self-teacher have already started bringing his cassava out to be putting it in his mouth. After doing it in that little girl's mouth, he will still let the little girl to swallow the akamu that comes out from the cassava. When that little girl have parents, father, mother, because they want the daughter to be brain art. What brain art they want more? The one that they are teaching them at school is not enough. Your daughter is too dull. Forget that thing. They will learn little by little. As for me now, I can even express in English. Then when I was growing, we speak our language. We speak Benin language. We speak Ishan language. I didn't even know I can say hi. I normally see my pastor's children then when they came to where we grew up in Eho, Humode local government, Eho. I went to Eho Grammar School. Arosa Primary School, that is where I went. They will be speaking English, string. But today, I thank God for my life. You understand? That doesn't mean that you must force them. You must force them. Even though you want to give your child a personal teacher, make sure you are there. Because these days, people are too wicked. These things that I'm saying, that we are saying now, we do not know all these things because in those days, there is no light. You know, in Nigeria, there is no light. In those days, we do not normally see them. Because of, we have the privilege to be in Europe now. We have 24-hour Wi-Fi, internet, we can see all these things. Still yet in Nigeria, all these things are still difficult. That is why when pastors are preaching, they are preaching for someone to be loyal to them. For someone to be their mumu, that is their preaching. You people are Nigerian pastors, you people are not preaching a bad God. Where there is a lot of people, like a lot of preachers, a lot of pastors, there are still a lot of demons that occurs in that country. That means you people are not changing anybody. You are just preaching for yourself. You want people to be loyal to you. You want people to be mumu for you. That is what you people are preaching. You want people to work and bring their salary so that you will share the salary in their hands. That is what you people are preaching. You want people to go and sell drug. After succeeding, you said that miracle. After succeeding, they will bring the money for you people to come and share the money for them. Even look at the other video I was saying the other day. A pastor sleeping with a young boy. The young boy was even confessing that he is the one that was sleeping with his pastor in his backside. Later, the pastor even sleep with the little boy in the backside. What are you people saying? I know there are 10% of nice people. I know that there are 10% of nice people, of nice pastors. It's not all. Please, if there is a lot of church in that Nigeria like that, what is this thing? But this pastor that is sleeping with a young little boy, he's from Nigeria. Okay, who are you people not changing? Who are you guys changing? Who are you guys changing? Are you not changing someone? Or we live in a place in this Europe where we live, all those things that is happening there is not real here. No, instantly police, they even 2 years old child, they can express themselves to the extent that you will not believe yourself in this Europe that we live. Yes, please, mothers, be very, very careful about your children. Stop destroying your children's life. I know if your child was raped, that doesn't mean that your child will not become great, but that torment remain in their life. That torment will remain in all the days of their life. Yes, they have inner sickness. They are forming that, and they are a motivational speaker. They are motivational dead. Motivational dead in spirit. That is what they are. Please monitor your daughters. Being a daughter, being a son, because these days they want to destroy the male, they want to destroy the female too. A pastor sleeping with a little boy. A pastor sleeping with a little boy in his backside. After that, the pastor will still ask the little boy to sleep with him in his backside. That is the offering that you are paying in your demonic path. But it's not all pastor. It's not all pastor. There are some nice pastor. Okay, it's not all. There are some God-sent pastor. We don't need to be loyal to. As for me, I don't need to be loyal to anybody. I don't need to be loyal to. I don't need to be loyal to you. Why will I be loyal to you? Are you the one giving me bread to? Are you the one that makes me to be breathing for me to be loyal to you? I need to be loyal to my Bible, to be loyal to my God, not you. If we by mistakenly jam together, talk, it's okay. Not for me to be doing mumu and be following you. No. If you are the one that is on the board, now you can be on your board. This is your own cup of tea. When we get to heaven, God is not going to ask who is on board. You die or die, I die, my die. I don't want to be loyal to any idiot anymore. Because when you become loyal to all this too much of stupid people, they destroy your life. You do not even know what you want again. Be loyal to yourself. Anything that you do not understand anymore, go to the Bible and read it. That is my own aspect of you. How can I go to church? I want to know God. I will go to church to know God. Coming back home, that is when I will start fighting. That is when I will start stealing. That is when I will start drinking. That is when I will start lying. Why will I go to church? I went to church to know God. But no, what you people are demonstrating is not for us to know God. That is for that side. Mothers, please. Take your responsibility. Your first primary is for you to concentrate on your children. I don't give a damn about the business that you are doing. I don't give a damn about the house that you are living. I just prefer to live in one room with my peaceful home than living in a mansion with the other one. My daughter, they have spoiled the daughter. They have spoiled the backside. 7 years old daughter, they have spoiled the backside, spoiled the front side, spoiled the mouth. Innocent children, you guys are destroying their lives because you want money. You want to tell me that you have Ferrari. You want to tell me that you can spray in party. You want to tell me that you have a big house more than me. Damn you. Damn you. No, please. You guys should respect yourself. Concentrate on your children. Build them up. They don't need to be like Oprah Winfrey. They don't need it. They don't need. If Oprah Winfrey like it should be what's so called today, them to her. They have disguagua her when she was 7 years, I be 8 years. I don't want that. I don't want to be rich. I don't want to have a lot of money after they have disguagua, even the uncle. Is that what you want for your children? I know that that doesn't mean. Is that what you want? Please, take care of your children. Take care of your children. Take care of your children. I know when someone is talking, you people will be saying that, you people will think that that person do not know what the person is saying, or they don't know what they are doing. No, based on what we have seen in life. I am not a baby. Based on what we have seen in life. Based on what is going on in life. That is why I am giving this awareness out to those that is close to me, for them to know what to do at the right time. For them not to give their children out for others to be molesting. For them not to give their children out, their 7 years, 6 years, 8 years, 9 years old daughter, for a grown-up man to be putting his cassava into his mouth. Even there is this actress the other day, this Ghana stupid actress. Look at the way she was kissing her daughter in her mouth. You don't have to steal your daughter kiss. Let your daughter wait for her 18 years before she tests her first kiss. You don't have to make her feel that kiss first. No, let her wait till her time. She will feel it by herself. Not feeling kiss, not feeling my own first kiss with my mother. What kind of stupid love is that? And you people love all those dirty things. All those dirty things is the things that motivate you people. Instead of you guys to share this my video out now for others to know what to do, the things that give sense to others, you people will not share it. But the devil that do not give sense, that is what you people share. Like Bobrisky, you people will share him. That devil incarnate, you people will be sharing him. Evil things, that is what you people share. You people should stop that. Share good things to others. Share good things to others, not evil things. Please, I'm going to place this video there so that you see what happened to this little girl. I don't know, maybe as for you, you will be happy if this kind of thing happened to you. You know, it may happen to you people. You people will keep it and shut it up. It's your own cup of tea. It's not going to torment me. You know, tomorrow I will be 100 years old. I will still be doing kege. You 50 years, you will be like Michael Jackson. Even God have even said it that those people that have acquired wealth in evil way, their wealth will vanish, and they will even vanish from this earth. And everybody will be wondering, what happened to them? Where are they? Even their children will sell those words out. You see, Michael Jackson don't even have children. He don't have children. Maybe they are painting those white children. It's not his children. Michael Jackson don't have children. Evil people all over the place. Take care of your children. As for me, I'm not working now. My eyes is on the ground for my children. My eyes is on the ground. If you like, go and laugh me that I'm not working. It's your own cup of tea. Work and die fast. As for me and my husband, we have our own plan to be doing it little by little. Two of us don't have to kill ourselves at a time. No, one need to be working. The other one will take care of the children, because these children we didn't give birth to them for them to come and be pleasing others. No, we gave birth to them because we want our own children. We want to see how human being looks like. How can you take care of human being? Why do we have parents? Why is our parents there for us? Like me, my papa, my mama, they are still there for me. That it makes me so happy. For nothing tormenting me in my younger age, it makes me happy. For my daddy defending me to the last blood of his life, makes me damn happy. Till tomorrow, I don't have anything that bothers me. People are depressed. I don't know what is depressed. I'm happy about my life. Okay? And you having a good parents that stand by you, those things will make you to know what to do. It will not make you to go and get married to an old rich man. You make you to know that, no, I don't want to get married to a man that is older than my father. All those things. Or I don't want to give birth to any child without no father. Sorry for saying that. I don't want you to get angry because of that word. Okay, I'm not saying it because of you. I'm saying it because of there are still younger ones that is coming for them to know what to do. Okay, that is why I'm saying it. Anyway, this is my message for today. I'm going to put the video there where that little girl, the little girl's teacher was putting cassava in the little girl's mouth. After the little girl eating the cassava, the man will still put the akamu inside the little girl's mouth, and the little girl will still drink the akamu. I will still put the video of the boy that a pastor was sleeping with in his backside. After pastor sleeping with him, he will still sleep with the pastor. I should be loyal. Loyal to who? Loyal to devil people? No. I will not be loyal to devil people. I will be loyal to my papa, my mama. Those are the people I should be loyal for. I will be loyal to the God that creates me, to the God that have made me to stand in this minute. Thank you. Do not forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to it. Press the notification button anytime I upload my videos, so that you will know that I have uploaded a video, so that you will take your sense from it. As well as some people, I normally still watch their video, I still take my sense from their own. Okay, the people that are older, but I don't want to be loyal to any idiot anymore. Okay, I don't want to be loyal to anybody. I don't want to be loyal. Too much of loyalty, it will make you to feel like you are nobody. I don't want to be loyal to anybody anymore. No, never again. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Try to subscribe. Okay? Thank you. Always comment on my video. Comment on them. How can I have a lot of people in the world? Nobody is subscribing to my YouTube channel. Nobody is commenting on it. Nobody is liking it. I don't understand. Thank you. Bye-bye. Let me receive my husband's call.